I'm Warren Gemlik of KOJ Interiors. I'm the director in charge. It is my job to make sure that this company delivers on all its promises to its client. My background is construction through and through. I've been trained in construction, carried out operational delivery, moved into commercial control, and then obviously managing the design aspects of a project. This enabled me to proceed through senior management to control a business, and now I implement all the best procedures that I've ever experienced, and obviously any that I've invented. And I've learned to make sure that people are at the centre of the business. And that means not just the client, it means the staff that come under the control of the business, and that we treat everybody with respect. I believe that design is not something that just happens at the beginning of a project. It has to be holistically incorporated into a business and a project, and follow the project all the way through to the DLP, end of the DLP period. This is very important that the designers work with the commercial department, with the operations department, with all the QHSE staff, to make sure that what is being delivered meets all the requirements of the project and is up to the required standard. We find that cost value engineering is now standard on most projects. Companies are trying to work to strict budgets, and the pains of the pandemic create an extra pressure to control costs. So rather than this be a hindrance to the projects, we make sure that that we are experts in this particular subject. And we don't just look at descoping materials, we look at methods of construction to reduce waste. We look at other solutions to reduce shipping, and generally, working to a better environmental standard, availability of materials, and hence saving costs on the project. We're particularly proud of the VIP Plaza Lounge project at Midfield Terminal. We've worked very closely with the client to develop the design, control the budget, follow the environmental requirements on that project. And we are working cohesively to deliver the project on time before the opening of the terminal. We are proud to have matured as a business to be able to take on such projects as the phased refurbishment of Welfit and Meydan. It is a very complicated project, and we are working around the building whilst the client is still in operation. And it requires a lot of management and control, and expands our ability to deliver such projects. Large-scale projects that we are carrying out at the moment are for TCOM at Outsource City, Khalifa University, and Injazat, and we are very pleased to be working with these blue chip clients. It meets all our targets for this year, and we hope to expand on those relationships. I believe that the main difference is a lack of maturity. That's not necessarily criticism. It comes with various pros and various cons. The pros are very exciting in the fact that the market is very bold, it's very brave, it's prepared to take risks, and there is more exciting innovation here than there might be in a more mature market. The cons mainly exist around expectations on timescale and some issues with budget. In order to successfully deliver projects consistently, enough time needs to be given to tender the project properly, design the project properly, and obtain the approvals, and obviously carry out the project on site. and quality control it properly. On some projects that we tend to try and avoid, there is not enough time given to carry out those functions properly. However, the client base that we've established now tend to consistently allow the contractor to carry out the project properly, which is exactly where we wanted to be as a business. This year is exceptionally good for us, and we're meeting all our targets and even exceeding our targets month by month. This is generating the ability to reinvest in KOJ Interiors. We have opened a show office in Dubai Festival Tower, which is proving to be very successful in the fact that clients love it and the staff are enjoying it, and it's creating a nice environment to work in. Due to this success, we are planning the same for Abu Dhabi and Riyadh and Jeddah, and we continue to grow and develop in the region. The market appears to be very good in our chosen sectors, and we continue to increase our market share by demonstrating solidly delivered projects on time to good quality and consistently demonstrating to the client that we can do exactly what we've promised. All in all, things could not be much better for KOJ Interiors, and we anticipate a very bright future ahead. And we'd like to wish you all to join us.